Build your credit score without credit in 6 easy steps. Have you ever tried to get credit but were turned down because you don't have any credit? Don't worry. In this video, we'll share 6 steps you can take to help you start your credit journey. But before we talk about building your credit, let's understand what credit is. When you have credit, it means people trust you to borrow their money and pay it back later. This isn't just about credit cards, but can also be about loans, mortgages, and other forms of debt. When we talk about building credit, we're really talking about building a good credit score and history, which show that you've been responsible when you've borrowed money before. Ready to start? Let's discuss what you can do to build your credit score and history without having your own credit. 1. Get a secured credit card. Think of a secured credit card like the training wheels on a bike. Unlike a regular credit card, you give a deposit to the credit card company before you can use it. This deposit is like a safety net for the company in case you can't pay them back. You use this card to make small purchases and pay them back on time, which starts to build up your credit history. 2. Become an authorized user. If a family member or friend trusts you and they have good credit, you can ask to be an authorized user on their credit card. This means you can use their card, but they are responsible for the payments. Using their card responsibly can help your credit score. 3. Get a cosigner. A cosigner is someone who promises to pay back your loan if you can't. Both you and the cosigner are responsible for paying back the loan. Make sure you follow the payment plan and your credit score will start going up. 4. Get a small loan. You can get small loans from credit unions or banks. Small loans are easier to pay back, which can help you build a good credit history. Be sure you only borrow what you can afford to pay back. 5. Always pay on time. The #1 rule of credit is to always pay on time. If you're late with payments, it can lower your credit score. To make sure you never forget, you can set up reminders on your phone or use automatic payments. 6. Check your credit report. As you're building credit, it's important to check your credit report often. You can get a free report each year. If you see any mistakes, make sure you get them fixed right away. Remember, building credit doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and responsible choices. But with patience and by following these steps, you'll be on your way to a strong credit score and a bright financial future. Please like and subscribe for more tips on credit repair. Also, learn more by watching my videos and getting my book at creditruin2creditworthy.com.